This video is brought to you by ThunderbirdBob.com, your source for 02 to 05 Ford Thunderbird parts. Today I wanted to talk to you about FEMs. Now, I've got another video on how to remove the FEM, but what it doesn't really talk about is the cables and dealing with the cables that are attached. This is how the FEM is sitting in your car. This is forward, this is up, this is to the rear of the car. Your car door would be over on this side. This is the driver kick plate near your left foot. So this is the way the FEM is mounted in the car, and it makes it easier to remove when these cables are off. Unfortunately, when it's up against the mount, it's virtually impossible to get your fingers in there. You might be able to get a tool in there, but you're going to have a hard time getting your fingers in there. So what you want to do is loosen up the bolts and nuts. There's actually one bolt down here, and typically only these two little wings will have nuts on them. So when you take those off, you're going to be able to get this a little bit off the mount. Not a lot, but a little bit. You're going to have a little play because the wires are still going to be holding it in. And try to get a close-up here so you can see the cables. So this is the front of the cable. This is what you see. What you don't see is where the release is. The releases are here on the back. You can see I'm pushing it with my thumb here. So, again, when you get this a little bit off the mount, you're going to sneak your finger in here, you get your thumb on here, and you're going to wiggle it from left to right, and it will eventually come out. You get the next one, and you work your way down the line. Now, when you get to this side, it's a little trickier. You do have one, like the others. Your thumb in there, wiggle it out. As you may notice, this one does not have a release on the front. The release is actually on this inside. So it's even more challenging to get to. Try to get a close up here for you. So this is where you have to release it, and again, it's sitting like this on the wall, and actually it would be sitting like this. So when you would get this other one off first, and then when that's off, you can press that one and wiggle it out. And that is your video on how to remove the wires from your FEM. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and follow me for future videos. Thanks for watching.